This is the glow effect, the basic effect of the text. Add BGM to the final scene integrated into the 3D environment. Let's start the tutorial. Create a new composition, name it. Input text and align. Create a new solid color layer as background. Add CC Vignette. Vignette effect. Open the text. Click Animation. Add Scale. In the Animation tool, add Opacity and Blur. First, set Opacity to 0. Open the Range Selector. Keyframe the offset from 100 to -100. Open Advanced. Shape Select Ramp Down. Ease Low set to 100. Moderately adjust the blur. And zoom size. In More Options, Anchor Point Grouping is set to Row. Group Alignment Y-axis -50. Create a new solid layer. To carry the lens flare effect, adjust the lens size in the effect, set the mode to screen. Lower the opacity. Finally, keyframe the flare center. From left to right. Final effect completed. Select Properties within the text. We can save it as a preset. For later use on other text, just drag and drop the preset.